Good morning, everyone. See, this curriculum is not only for the teachers, it is for the whole institution who are carrying the responsibility of teaching for the society. And CBSE directly instructed each and every one individual to understand the whole from Rome to the ocean and ocean to the north. And they want the holistic development of the every individual during their school times. And they have given a set of instructions. In the second line, it is properly mentioned the sum total of the plan of educational experiences provided to the learners by the school. So in this, my co-partners elaborated each and everything. The last one, I would like to sum up with this thing. That is about the 360 development of the student. The most possible possibility of a learner, that what they can do, what they can achieve, that can only be fetched by a school. When the children is given the opportunity to become a good human being, to a civilized person in the society. We need to understand each and every phenomena according to that. But again, knowing each and everything is not possible. That's why we have curriculum, and curriculum is further divided according to syllabus, then books, then units, then chapters, then this is a kind of hierarchy. So here at the 8th point, I'm going to particularly mention equally emphasizes not only the just cognitive development. It's not about just rote learning, it's not about just knowing, it's about the betterment of life. And 8th point also emphasizing the post holistic area. And post holistic area in my English literature, how it helps, that's a very challenging. That's a kind of activity based learning in nowadays. And one point is also mentioned art education and health and physical education. These three elements are also important. Few days ago, I would like to highlight one point over here. Few days ago, there was an Chinese incident in our India, Pahalgam attack. Unfortunately, it was a kind of terror situation among the students because it was highlighted. So I was just talking to the students. But why does it happen? Everybody was blaming them, no security, no thing, no. I just went opposite the arena. I said no, we can't see security everywhere. We can't see. I just reminded them one few things. In your school time, you might have such kind of problems, not at that extent, but some extent. If somebody is facing the death-like situation, what you will do? If somebody is facing a death-like situation and you are watching, what you will do? Which value you will show? Again, the problem of Lanko is the problem of each of us. So someone should come and have the capacity to bear that bullet on the front. There were only 4 to 5 people, and there were thousands of people. So we are degrading that particular social value. So we are supposed to taught them that how to handle such kind of situation. And CBSE has designed each and every. I think, ma'am said we have 25 chapters, 100 characters. I think thousands of situations are there. So we can exactly teach our students that how we can use this in our day-to-day life. That's what CBSE is talking about curriculum and science.
Thank you, sir. Well said. A clap for group one. Because CBSE's curriculum is not simply stories, not simply poems. They talk about values. They talk about situations. They talk about getting the children ready for that kind of thing. So whenever you're teaching in the class, now you people talked about assessment. Assessments are changing because now assessment is just not a question paper. They want what the student has learned for the lifelong learning. So where are those competency-based questions, which we say competency-based assessment? So yes, so day-to-day learning, we have to teach same chapter, but in a different perspective, different angle, discussing the things with the students on day-to-day life. Fine? Group 2, please. Well done, sir. Group 1. Yes, please. Quickly, please.
Good morning, all of you. My topic is objectives of the curriculum. CBSE is not only focusing to make a person a doctor or engineer. CBSE का the main focus है बच्चे को all rounder बनाने का है. So first the motive है that is to make him or her a good human being. For that, first point is कि जो बच्चे के अंदर knowledge है वो knowledge gain करेगा by his own self motivation. जो भी नॉलेज गेन करनी है वो किसी खास मोटिव के लिए नहीं कि मुझे ये बनना है उसका होगा कि जो सेल्फ को अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करना है अपने खुद को प्रूव करना है इसके लिए वो नॉलेज गेन करेगा एंड दैट नॉलेज शुड बी इफेक्टिव. सेकेंडली जो उसको बाय बर्थ इनएट मींस जो बाय बर्थ उसके पोटेंशियल्स हैं जो उसके अंदर एबिलिटीज हैं उनको वो इनहेंस करेगा एक्सप्लोर करेगा अपने बारे में जानेगा. आज तो हम दूसरों के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं बट अपने बारे में कोई नहीं जानता कि मैं क्या हूँ मेरी एबिलिटीज क्या है. तो थ्रू दिस करिकुलम बच्चा अपनी पोटेंशियल को जानेगा अपने को उनकी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होगी. नेक्स्ट है कि जो लाइफ स्किल्स होती हैं मेरी ह्यूमन बनने के लिए वी शुड बी गुड सोशल पर्सन हेल्पर हर तरह की हमारे स्किल्स होनी चाहिए और ये कब आएगी जब हमारे इसमें करिकुलम में ऐड होंगी. आई कैन बी रॉन्ग एनीवे
करिकुलम में ऑलरेडी एडेड है.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
simply want you to think from that point of view. कि हमें ये नहीं कहना कि स्टोरीज हैं जी पॉइंट्स दे दिए हैं कविताएं हैं कहानियां हैं लेकिन इन कविता कहानियों में हमारे जीवन के क्या क्या लक्ष्य छुपे हैं वो अपने बच्चों को समझाने हैं. अब सिर्फ ये नहीं कि लैंचो के साथ ये हुआ खत्म. ये हुआ क्यों हुआ क्या हो सकता था क्या और हो सकता था कैसे सिचुएशन संभल सकती थी ऑल्टरनेटिव क्रिएटिव आइडिया so that students are already aware in their classroom itself how to handle the situation. जैसे I discussed one question with you कि what if Blancho had access to Facebook. तो अब what do you mean कि बच्चों को नहीं पता चलेगा कि मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है तो मैंने कैसे सॉल्व करनी है. वो सिर्फ Blancho दिमाग में रहेगा. Blancho तो नहीं रहेगा ना दिमाग में. कोरिलेशन होता है कि क्लास में मैंने पढ़ा था अब मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं भी ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ. राइट. So it's already there, ma'am. Fine. We just need to go to that perspective.
And number 4, today we are living in a society that is dependent on each other. वैसे हमेशा एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड रहते ही हैं, but nowadays we are dependent, internationally dependent on each other. So जब बच्चा इसकी according to that curriculum, उसमें जो moral values हैं वो inculcate में include होंगी, cultural values में आएंगी. For example, Lancho again I am taking the example of Lancho. In that the postmaster and the all companion they contribute for the Lancho. That is also value, contribution, cooperation, helpfulness, है ना. तो मीन्स कि बच्चे ये सीखेगा. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 to acquire the ability to utilize the technology and information for the betterment of mankind. तो आज हम बच्चे को ऐसे हम सभी कहते हैं कि बेटा फोन यूज करना ये यूज करना वो यूज करना बट दैट इज द नेसेसिटी. वो जरूरत है. तो बच्चा अपनी बेटरमेंट के लिए सोसाइटी की बेटरमेंट के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे यूज करेगा दैट विल इंक्लूड that's the knowledge and attitude related to
I'm
livelihood.
sorry to interrupt here. Technology is not only for students, it's for teachers also. So when CBSE talks about objectives, now we also have to be technology friendly. We can't say ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. मुझे नहीं आता. प्रिंसिपल ने दे दिया मेरे से तो PDF भी नहीं बन रहा. How should I send? मेल कैसे करूँ? We have to learn. We have to learn. देखो बच्चों से आगे चलना है तो उससे हमें एक स्टेप आगे होना पड़ेगा तभी गुरु बनेंगे. गुरु curriculum and then students. Should I share? I was also a friend of technology. Then I learned few months back we had a CBSE circular of prayer affirmation, positive affirmation during prayer. Might have seen. मेरा वो circular CBSE ने circular डाला है कि जब prayer होती है ना morning assembly होती है तो आपको 5 positive affirmations बोलनी है. उसमें एक उन्होंने example दिया I use technology for my benefit. I also started using those affirmations. I am good at technology. I am comfortable at using technology. Right? Slowly, gradually, keep making yourself comfortable with that. And then be a master. बच्चों को लगे कि सर को मेरे से ज़्यादा पता है या मैम को मेरे से ज़्यादा पता है तो वाकई में मेरा गुरु है. Right? Got it? Please ma'am, quickly.
Number 6, strengthen knowledge and attitude related to livelihood skills. तो बच्चे को अब अपने लाइवलीहुड में कोई भी जॉब करने के लिए उसको कोई वन टैलेंट पे डिपेंड नहीं रहना पड़ेगा. ही मस्ट बी अ मल्टी टैलेंटेड पर्सन. तो इसमें भी फोकस किया गया है. देन डेवलप द एबिलिटी टू एप्रिशिएट आर्ट एंड शोकेस टैलेंट. तो बच्चे को मतलब इतनी होना चाहिए कि वो हर एक तरह के आर्ट. आर्ट डज नॉट मीन ओनली पेंटिंग और डांस. हर चीज आर्ट है. हमारी पोइट्री भी तो आर्ट ही है ना. तो आर्ट को अप्रिशिएट करें और अपना टैलेंट को शोकेस करके दिखा सकें. प्रमोट फिजिकल फिटनेस हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग. अपने लिए वो फिजिकल फिटनेस को गेन कर सके वो हेल्थी रहे. एंड देन प्रमोट आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग. आप सबको पता है कि अब हम जो लर्निंग करवाते हैं बच्चों को थ्रू एक्टिविटी करवाते हैं. तो दैट इज आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Clap for them. But I say that group should have come like group 1. You sent only one person. It's a group activity. Yes, group 3 please. Group 3. Wake up. Good morning. What happened? Come on, get up. Otherwise also I went on a training session and there I learned one thing that we should not continue sitting for a long time. We are hurting our backbone if we sit for a long time. Ma'am, just rise up for the support only. Kindly. And then quickly, summarize. Good morning everyone. My topic is implementation of Scrum. The better original practices should be learned. Means the teacher should design with a lesson plan according to students' interest. The lesson plan must be around the student. It is expected of a teacher to ensure atmosphere for students to feel free to ask questions. We have to make class atmosphere like students can ask questions freely. They cannot hesitate, they cannot have fear from teachers. They can easily ask any question, whatever they are searching like, whatever they are teaching to them. So they can ask more and more questions. So make that kind of environment. They would promote active learning among students with a focus on distraction, connecting with the world around them. We have to give real life examples related to our topic. Now, thank you. It's okay. You have summarized here if you want to say something.
Good morning, everybody. As our group is given the responsibility of explaining how we can implement the curriculum, implementation of curriculum. And Madam has already discussed with you three main points. Point number 1, our methods
So,
and
sorry, please add to her. Don't repeat, add to what she said. It's my request to each group. कि आप repeat नहीं करेंगे, add करेंगे.
there were only 3 points discussed by Madam. Learning centric, the methodology should be learning centric. Second was students should be free to learn to ask any question, any type of question. Or third was active learning. And I am adding to this 2 more points. The role of a teacher should be of a facilitator. A teacher should be a facilitator, and he has to encourage students for collaborative learning, development of multiple skills, to the generous use of resources. There are so resources around us, and we should use these resources for making the students understand the learning. And 5 point include there should be impulsive learning. Students should not labeled as slow learner, bright student, or problem children. A teacher should not give label, such type of label to the student. Means teacher should be in conversation, teaching should be in conversational mode rather than in the mode of authoritarian monologue. Point was, there should be a conversational teacher.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So basically, it has to be conversational teaching. ये बातों बातों में चक्र बढ़ा दिया आपने. Thank you. Because it has to be active learning. Now, it's not that I go and I tell them the story. I have to ask questions, teaching to them while they are answering. So, what I am supposed to do? My lesson plan will be including. Thank you. My lesson plan will have clearly thought of questions. Clearly thought of questions. कि मैंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा, मुझे ये जवाब मिला, फिर ये पूछा, फिर ये जवाब मिला, ऐसे करते करते हमारी स्टोरी हो गई फिनिश. लेकिन साथ में क्या किया हमने? वैल्यू पॉइंट डिस्कस किए, सिचुएशन डिस्कस किए, एंड वी हैव मेड देम अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यूज एज वेल. फाइन. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप प्लीज. And I request you summarize, please. Be quick. Make it short. Summarize. Summary करनी है आपने. उसको elaborate नहीं करना है. Lesson plan for the topic are to be prepared by the teacher. This lesson plan will have a common part session learning outcome. And we teach in a class which what student is able to do when they successfully complete a learning experience. But it means what the students can learn from what we were teaching in the class. Are they able to solve the problem or not? And pedagogical strategy means to ideal behavior and debate discussion what the students learn or not. Next point is activities, experiments, hands-on learning. Our pedagogical strategies that activities involve students in learning process, skill match, like use, block cards. Next is interdisciplinary linkage and inclusion, like this, values, gender and sensitivity, etc. It means there should be collaboration and communication between the different fields of study, and to create more the learning more comprehensive and so that the students can get the things more easily. Whatever the teacher has taught the children, the remedial plan should be there. Like whatever we have, once the teacher is taught, afterwards the teacher must have to ask the students if they have any problem, then whatever the problems or the situation which comes, that the teacher must be capable to provide them that right answers of all the questions, inclusive practices. Please, most of the teachers, what they do, that whenever the class is there, they the teacher that is used to teach the students those who are very bright and they because they will give the maximum results. But inclusively, we have to see some way some of the students are not given the means that they are not their 40% we are getting, and some we are typically is not in a perfect manner. Typically, there are there. So we have to keep the inclusive that learning should be there. Inclusive practices should be given, and then we have to connect their prior knowledge, whatever they have now, whatever they will not have given, or the previous teachers, whatever they taught. We must have to add on. We have to give them more information, new information we have to give. Like, for example, there are so many things like
in our teaching, in our chapters, many things can come related to the mathematics, history, geography, and related to the sciences. One example is there that is related to the dust of snow. That it is told about the physical arena or physical area of that place. Like it is telling about the snow is there everywhere and the person is feeling gloominess, sadness. Due to that, because of the area, because of the that nothing is there, no any tree is there, nothing is there. The tree which one is there, that is also that poisonous tree is there. We must to tell see that there we can connect that maybe to the science also and geographical area also we can connect and then so many. It's the same way. Here, my mother statistics, we can give the teachers, children that your grandmother is in the 66 years and your mother, she is in the 40s or 45, and then you can connect her grandmother with your mother. And then what your grandmother can't do and what your mother can do. We can connect that. Here that physical ability will come related to the science because of the age that the grandmother's situation is getting deteriorated and health problems are there, so that we can with the age that how the person gets these all the things that also we can connect. We are attaching to the science fair also, and we are giving the values to the students also. See how their mother has to help grandmother, because one day the same situation will come to your grandmother also, and we can connect these both the things with them, with the mother and the grandmother. Here, and with this only we can hear the skill of empathy, share feelings. Here we can share our feelings with mother, that the children can get this empathy about their grandmother, about mother, how that the child will be able to see where the mother.
Ma'am, kindly be quick, please.
Yes, ma'am. And then here, other thing, universal values can also be there. Universal values, we have seen that COVID also, there also one person can get the universal values. How that the person, they go there every home to deliver the food. That is the universal values that everybody has to
Universal
get.
values through literature. Language and literature. Please, I will remind you time and again, your curriculum, your chapter,
Yes.
your poems, and universal values.
Yes, please. Yes. And in constitution values, these all things, madam, small values is comes in every chapter. Values related to the justice, liberty, equality, rule of law, everything we are teaching in all the chapters we are teaching. Yes, this is unconstitutional. That we have to teach from all the chapters. Please, that please join us.
Ma'am, please be quick, please. Thank you. Thank you to the entire group. And request everyone to be quick with your presentation. दो पैरा को आपने समरी बनानी है. We are English teachers. समरी क्या होती है? Summarize means small, shortest. ये नहीं कि elaborate. I did not ask you to write thesis on 2 paras. Please. I remind you because we have time constraints. Otherwise, I told you we can discuss for as many hours as possible. But time constraint is there, so please 2 to 3 minutes only. Yes, we are time bound, so please summarize.
Good morning, everyone. Special emphasis on integrating art in education. Here, art doesn't stand for art and crafts that we do in the school, drawing and coloring. The arts are in the form of dance, theatre, recitation, dramatization, picturization, role play. These everything comes under art here. So the benefit of integrating art in education, it means the child, they will attain the communication skills, experiential learning, how to take the role of the different characters that are there in their chapters. They will reflect on the values as well as the ideas, and they will even reflect those things that they have attained through these characters in their life. After that, creative and critical thinking will be there, and they will be able to make the link between the different subjects and different topics that are being taught to them. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Well said. Thank you.
A very long and good morning to one
one and all. Today I'm going to discuss about few points which MTS 2005 taught us. It integrates more about art in education at all stages, covering four major spheres, that is music,
Excuse me,
visual art.
ma'am. I'm sorry I'm interrupting. I said it. Don't repeat, please. Please, please, please. We are time constrained. इन्होंने पहले बोल दिया चारों चीजें आप नहीं बोल रहे हो.
Okay, so I can
I'm sorry. I'm interrupting, but I won't take it. I won't take repetition, please. Otherwise, हम यही करते रहते हैं दोनों दिन. Please come back. Kindly come back.
I can move further also, ma'am. I added few points.
You will simply add. You will not repeat.
Yeah.
I am listening to each and everyone very carefully. Please, yes.
Art and integration also emphasize more on the development of children in terms of creative thinking, problem solving, brainstorming, and it also gives or enhances deeper knowledge in the children. Art and integration can also be in a joyful learning by using some few activities like comic strip, storytelling, which enhances communication skills. Also it brings a lot of confidence and self-esteem in the children. Thank you so much.
Thanks to the group. Please come back. Next group. And I request you don't repeat the ideas of the other one. It means you are not listening to your own group members.
My topic is art integrated pedagogy. Art must be integrated with the teaching and learning process of all academic subjects from class 1st to 12th. With experiential learning, connecting knowledge outside the school, ensuring that children learning shift away from the rote learning. We should take them away from rote learning. We use art as a tool for learning teaching will work effectively. We should take help from music, dance, visual art, etc.
Good morning, everyone. Art integrated pedagogy to promote active learning by giving examples related with real life, and this will shift rote learning to active learning. Active learning means that students' participation should be there in the learning. Students should participate in the teaching and learning process. Second point is
Any example? We are not, please I repeat again. I am not asking you to read from the handout. वो तो मैंने भी कर देना. 20 minutes की टास्क है. 2 घंटे हम लगा रहे हैं. क्यों लगा रहे हैं?
second, the strategies should be well planned.
Example, please. Example. आप pedagogy में आप अपना चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे हो कोई भी. आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग कौन से चैप्टर में कैसे कराओगे? एक टॉपिक बताओ.
For example, we are teaching nouns in the class. Okay. We are giving example, the name of a place, the name of a person, and a thing. We can show the things like ball and pencil also.
ओके.
And
जो हम डांस म्यूजिक की बात कर रहे हैं वो कैसे करें? कोई एक चैप्टर बताइए. कोई एक चैप्टर, कोई एक पॉइंट, कुछ भी एक बताइए जिसमें आप पेडागोजी यूज करेंगे आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन. बस मेरा काम खत्म. आपका भी खत्म, मेरा भी खत्म. बताइए.
by storytelling.
टॉपिक की एग्जांपल दीजिए मैम. देखो कॉन्फिडेंस बेस्ड जो असेसमेंट है ना वो यही हो रही है. हमारे बच्चों के नंबर क्यों नहीं आ रहे? वो एग्जांपल पूछ रहे हैं और हमारे बच्चे थ्योरी बता रहे हैं. हम जो यहाँ कर रहे हैं 2 दिनों के लिए वो इसलिए नहीं कर रहे कि दोबारा भाई कॉन्फिडेंसी हाउ टू यूज इट इन द क्लासरूम.
By group activity,
क्या करवाओगे? एक एग्जांपल दे दीजिए.
we will give some topic
Yes. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? This is also integration. कि ये reading material है, अगर मान लो CBSE तो मुझे ये कहती है कि handout दो, actually you know what they say to me, कि handout दो 2A 2B, सारे जने बैठ के 2A 2B पढ़ेंगे, फिर I can ask you questions. कैसा लगेगा वो? अच्छा लगेगा? नहीं, आप बताइए कि ये वाला पार्ट अच्छा है? बताइए प्लीज. This is better. We are discussing. मान लो मैं आपको सिर्फ दे देती हूँ कि हाँ जी बैठ के रीड आउट कर लो, हैंड आउट है, रीड आउट कीजिए, and I'll frame 10 questions, I'll ask from you, and you will answer, and my topic is over. But no, because again CBSE has given freedom to resource persons to do as you wish to. So why not to do it in a way which we want to be done in the classes? Do you agree? Communicative English है किसी के पास स्कूल में? जूलियस सीजर कितना लगा है? 10 दिन लग जाएंगे आपको पढ़ाते पढ़ाते, वर्ड बाय वर्ड पढ़ाओगे 10 दिन लग जाएंगे, तब भी बच्चे कहेंगे एड टू टीचर. राइट. तो क्या करेंगे हम? डिवाइड करो, 10 दिन पहले डिवाइड करो, रो दो, उनको बोलो फ्रेम योर ओन डायलॉग. आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल. जूलियस सीजर, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, इट कैन बी रोड साइड स्टैंड पोएम.
Any of the story can be converted into
Even poem can be. If it is dust of snow. Dust of snow है, right? Dust of snow में क्या है? करो इनैक्ट. 10 बच्चे हैं, 10 को 10 पॉइंट्स दे दो. किसी ने कैरेक्टर है उनको कैरेक्टर दे दो. पोएम को आपने प्ले में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, आपकी पोएम भी होगी, प्ले भी होगा, खत्म. Got it? और जब वो बच्चे करेंगे you ask questions and your work is done. And now don't say कि ये resource persons होते हैं और वो CBBs में ही कहते हैं, तो CBBs में ही ऐसा होता है. I'm a teacher also. I have class 12. टाइगर किंग कितना बड़ा चैप्टर है, राइट? तो टाइगर किंग का क्या है? मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है, बन जाओ कैरेक्टर, करो, खत्म करो काम. मैंने छुट्टियां भी देनी होती है रिसोर्स पर्सन, सिलेबस भी कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है? बच्चों को भी आना चाहिए. +2 बोर्ड रिजल्ट है, उसमें तो इंटरनल असेसमेंट ऐड भी होती, बच्चे पास कराने हैं कि नहीं?